Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage social listening with Brandwatch, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin managing social listening with Brandwatch, first create an account on the Brandwatch website. After you've registered, log in to your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main menu and navigation features. Next, create a new project by selecting the Create Project button. Enter a relevant name for your project that reflects your goals. Define your project's scope by choosing the right industry, topics, or keywords. Use the query builder to input specific keywords related to your brand or industry. Consider using Boolean operators to refine your search for more accurate results. Set the time frame for your data collection by selecting the date range in the filters. Once your queries are set, click on the Save button to create your project. Wait for Brandwatch to gather data for a few moments. When the data is ready, navigate to the dashboard section to view your insights. You'll see visualizations that represent sentiment analysis, engagement metrics, and more. Explore the Mentions tab to see real-time mentions across social media platforms. Use filters to narrow down your results by location, language, or platform. Analyze the sentiment around your brand by reviewing sentiment scores over time. Set up alerts to notify you of significant changes in your brand mentions. Engage with your audience by responding to mentions directly from the platform. Collaborate with team members by sharing your insights through the Reports feature. Customize your dashboard to prioritize the metrics that matter most to you. Regularly review and adjust your queries based on the evolving landscape of your brand. This will help you stay relevant and responsive to your audience's needs. Continue to monitor your brand's performance over time for ongoing improvement. Experiment with different features, such as trend analysis and competitor benchmarking. By consistently using Brandwatch, you'll enhance your social listening strategy effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.